while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desire.
Welcome everyone to another episode of Family Food Travels. Today's a special day. We're planning actually to swim along with dolphins. So please join us in this video.
Set my heart afire.
Dolphin cruise offer ചെയ്യുന്ന കമ്പനികളുണ്ട്. So one of our friends recently they went and they suggested the Kangaroo Island marine adventures. We found them really good. So there are quite a few, I think about 7-8 operators, and ratings for all of them are nearly 4.8 and to about 5, and all of them are doing really good job. So yeah, so we went with the KI Marine Adventures. So you have to book well in advance. Usually the bolte cruises, they have limited seats, about 15 seats. So ആദ്യം തന്നെ ബുക്ക് ചെയ്തില്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ പോകുന്ന ദിവസം അപ്പോൾ കുറച്ച് ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടായിരിക്കും. So we have slowly started and slowly picking up the pace. എല്ലാവരും റെഡി ആയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. കുറച്ച് ക്ലിയർ സ്കൈ ആണ്. So it's recommended to have your sunscreens on.
Secrets and forbidden bliss can't stay still. Don't stop that thrill.
More so, usually these rides are 3-hour rides, so from start to finish, quite exciting, and it's good to plan way in advance.
Let's creep while you and me repeat this bittersweet.
All right, welcome aboard. There's life jackets up the front in that front hatch. You don't have to wear them, guys, but we're going to let you know where they are.
Okay.
Being a commercial boat, probably travel at about 25 knots. It's almost enough to blow your head off, but not quite.
Set my heart afire.
So you can see crystal clear water, so you can see under the sea. ഇത്തിരി നല്ലതാണ് കാണാൻ. Beautiful view ആണ്.
Connect the dots straight to the start of intoxicating water.
But yeah, we're heading over. We'll continue heading over here, guys.
നമ്മൾ കുറച്ച് നേരമായിട്ട് കരഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു ഡോൾഫിൻസിന് കാണാൻ. ഫൈനലി സോ വി ഹാവ് സോ മെനി ഡോൾഫിൻസ് ഹിയർ. നമുക്ക് ഇത് കാണാം. ഒരു 8-10 ഉണ്ട്. ഈ ഡോൾഫിൻസ് ഗ്രൂപ്പായിട്ട് നടക്കുന്നത് ബേസിക്കലി they try and protect each other. So that's the reason they move as a group, and this group is known as a pod. So they hunt together, swim together, and that's how they keep themselves safe.
These guys probably not that far, not too far at all, really, because there's plenty of food here for them. They'll travel. We've got these guys noted as travelling to as far as Victor Harbour. So I guess they will if they have to. They'll do that bit of a social connection. Yeah, these guys coexist quite well with sharks.
Shark.
Yeah, actually sharks, they probably they give the sharks a bit of curry, these guys. So the thing is with a shark, you generally got one shark against 20-30 dolphins, so the sharks generally stick to their own. So who's going in? What we'll do is we'll probably put you in small groups, say 4 or 5 at a time. You don't have to swim.
And now it's time to jump and experience this in real. So ഞങ്ങൾ റെഡി ആയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഞാനും പിള്ളേരും എല്ലാ ഗിയറിലും ഇട്ട് ചാടാൻ പോവാണ് to explore how these dolphins look under the sea. No, carry you wait. You just wait. Christy, you come first. പുറത്തേക്ക് വെള്ളം ഇവിടെ It's a little cloudy, so while the water still looks very clean and clear, the sky is clear, the water gets even more clearer. So, dolphins ne kaana chudi nallaittaayirikkum. Edalum namukku, still we were able to sight quite a few of these dolphins there.
Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire.
You can book your cruise online but in advance. So they usually have 15 seats available for each cruise. They charge about $190 for each adult and about $110 for kids. It's a 3-hour cruise, so they also provide you with the snorkels and wetsuits. You can have your own gear as well, and they also offer you morning tea.
With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation.
Coming behind you. Coming behind you, look. Straight in the water. They're out there right in front of you. Look, underwater. Look underwater. Wow, you had a good one there.
Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Yeah.
Now we are heading back to Kingscote, and we're slowly speeding up. You can see, how these dolphins are enjoying their day, speeding up. They're cruising along with our boat. They're enjoying.
Straight to the start.
Little dolphin expression session there.
And I'll strongly recommend, people coming in to Kangaroo Island. It's a must try. Little expensive, but yes, it's worth the experience.
Connect the dots straight to the start of intoxicating want. Lingering touch, these soft words whispered in the dark. Set my heart on fire.
ഇന്നത്തെ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസിനെ കുറിച്ച് പപ്പയ്ക്ക് എന്ത് പറയാനുണ്ട്?
Mine all the experience. It's amazing.
Thanks everyone for watching our video. If you haven't subscribed to Family Food Travels, please definitely do that. Leave a comment, share with your friends and like. Thanks so much.